it's restorative when you give a detention and the kid wants more detentions. Yes. Then you know that your restorative consequences worked because you've uncovered the layers on the onion. You've uncovered the reason behind the behavior. The kid is needing attention, needing the connection, but they don't know how to get it. So they get it by misbehaving. So now I, out of the blue, will say to a kiddo, hey, you know what? I'm lunch with me today. I want you to have lunch with me today. And they haven't done anything wrong. And they're like, what? Did I do something wrong? Nope. And then because you're right, you want to change the tables on them. You want to turn it around and say, you don't need to misbehave to have lunch with me. And you also don't need to earn it. But if they do think they have to misbehave, then you can turn those tables around and say, hey, listen, you get X, Y, and Z. And I'll tell them that. We're having lunch today together, and I see the pattern like they want to have lunch with me. I'm going to now say to them, you know what? I kind of think that having lunch is a good thing, and I still want to have lunch with you once in a while. But we're going to do something different this week. So I am not going to give you a lunch detention. You are going to take back control. You are going to do the things that you're supposed to do. And we're going to have lunch. So this is back on you, buddy. Now it's yours. And I've seen kids run with that.